The MACD 2 Lines Oscillator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the plotted chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, an oscillator window will open at the bottom of the chart for us. The MACD2L indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of the classic MACD indicator, which has an additional moving average that is highlighted in red. Adjust MACD settings, fast, slow MACD periods, and signal line period. Next, select price mode, default closing, options opening, highest, lowest. Adjust moving average period specifically for moving average settings. Select price mode, default closing, options opening, highest, lowest. Select the moving average period. Default is 21. Change the moving average mode. Default is exponential. Options: simple, exponential, smoothed, linear weighted. Indicators: theme, auto, light, dark, custom. Auto mode changes candle colors: green for profit, red for loss. The last section includes the theme or template for the indicator with modes: auto, light, dark, and custom. Auto mode changes candle colors: green for profit, red for loss, and is the default. Next, selecting light applies a light template, dark applies a dark template, and custom keeps your template while applying the indicator. I'll choose dark and change the moving average to smooth, then apply it. Now my template is dark and the moving average line is smooth. The blue line is the MACD signal line. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Please share your comments and suggestions with us. In the next section, by selecting the light option, a light template will be applied to the chart. Choosing the dark option will apply a dark template to the chart, and selecting the custom option will keep your personalized template while only applying the indicator to the chart. Here, I will choose the dark template and change the moving average mode to smoothed, and then I will apply that change. So here, my template has changed to a dark color, and my red line, which is the moving average line, has its calculation method changed to smoothed. The blue line is the MACD signal line. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.